Hey guys, welcome back. It's day 3 of Brandon's school lunches. And today we're using a new box that we've actually never used before. It's his first time bringing this to school and actually using it. This is the Planet box. So I got here some dinosaur magnets, so we all know how much Brandon likes dinosaurs. So open it up, Brandon. Let's see what we got inside today.
Mew did it in the dinosaur.
All right, so let's see what we have.
The waggles from the DIY Lunchboard. There is the food sandwich. I have a deep tea with the dog, and now with the heart. Then we have the bit with the bit that we bought at the dollar store. That night we on the door. Then we have them vitamins, them teeth. This is goby dad, and this is little teeth, and then that might Nutella sandwich. So this is the outdoor sheet. Get in the blender.
Okay, all right.
Then the Amudi napkin and my doormat
Okay.
with Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Okay, all right. So real quick, Ritz crackers from the DIY Lunchables meal that he was saying. We have carrots again because he did really well with them yesterday, but today they are shaped in hearts because this is going to be a heart theme. I got these picks from the Dollar Tree, and they have hearts on them. I don't know if you can see, but these are from the Dollar Tree. And then we have sandwiches cut into hearts. This is Nutella. And then I have some cheese that I cut out to say I love you. Right here, these are vitamins. So I try not to give him like too many sweet things, but he always has to take his vitamins. So I thought maybe throw the vitamins in there for a little sweet treat at the end. And then we have here a squishy pack. And today we have some applesauce in it. So we love these reusable packs. And this is his thermos for water that we have here, and then he wants to add another lunch notes from me, I'm assuming, because he's okay. Let's see, here you go. Let's go with this one. What's the laugh?
What would we after it's been fired? I know a rocket.
A rocket. Okay, so the laugh is what works only after it's been fired.
And it's a rocket.
A rocket. That's the answer. So we're going to throw this in just for fun, and that's what his lunch is for today. All right, have a monster-ific day.
Yeah.
Welcome back. Brandon's done with school. And Brandon, what did you eat?
Everything.
He ate everything, guys. So he finished he had sandwich, he had cheese, he had his, grapes and crackers and carrots, his vitamin he took. He finished his applesauce. The squishy is all flat. He did a great job. Good job. Yeah. All right. We'll see what he brings to lunch tomorrow, right? Yes.
Tomorrow's Friday, right?
No, tomorrow's Thursday.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.